Hi boys and girls, so this is a video on how to access the Epic at home. So this is in your homework assignment document, and you just have to go to this link right here. And so I'm going to just go ahead and click on this, and this is our access code. So make sure you kind of copy it. You can just copy it right from the document. Go ahead and click on the Home Epic link, and it will take you to this page. And once you get to this page, you should be going all the way down, and it says you have, let's see, login. Let's just go straight to login. And once you log in, you can just go to students and educators. And after you go here, your student login is just on the left side. Go ahead and click on the class enter code, and you can go ahead and paste it. If you didn't copy it, that's okay. It's just AJX2881, and then you go ahead and click go. You should wait just a moment. It's going to redirect you to my class. And so here are all of your names. You just need to pick yours. I'm going to just click on guest student. Here you are able to choose your nonfiction text that we're doing for our choice board. And later next week when we start doing character traits, I can also start assigning you books through Epic here. So navigate through this. You guys have done this in class. It's exactly the same, except now you're doing it at home. Please email me if you're still not able to access Epic. Remember that you can also use our RAS Kids account. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Okay, happy reading.